So hi guys, I'm at school right now and today is Friday and it's lecture day. And I'm with my seatmates.
Hi guys!
And my Arely
So
guys.
it's currently 7:13 in the morning and it's raining.
It's raining man. What's the next?
Kumanta siya.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah! It's raining.
Oh yeah. And currently I'm reading Leadership because we have a surprise quiz. I don't know. Maybe not today.
We'll see!
We'll see. So, saan ko lalagay ito? Hindi nakikita ni Din. Dar.
Itay mo dun. Kita mo yun pag dun sa taas.
Kamay ngay. Ayun na siya! It's JC It's guys. JC It's is
Let's
here.
welcome JC!
JC It's! Dead ma siya.
Leadership, may surprise quiz ata.
Oh, ang namumura.
Ibibip?
So, I don't know. Maybe we're gonna... This day is just a daily vlog. No. Tama. Dadamot sila, oh. Chicharon sila. Nina pa sila yan. Dadamot sila. Ang ina niyo. Sumakit sana chan niyo. So, hi guys! It's raining at sea. Nino nila nakinina.
We're waiting for
For a suspension na. Yes.
Hi po!
Pang drink.
Madali lang.
So, hi guys! I'm with Kel
Parang
Archives
quiz
again.
Quizzes.
Palab namin to.
Ang mainit.
And it's lecture day.
Hindi po ba
And they
suspend?
have
That English
MS
pa
and
lang
we are leadership with Dean. Oh yeah, my friend Huda Shish.
Welcome to my vlog. Ay,
How's the MS?
may quiz. Alam mo may quiz?
No.
May quiz.
What? Okay.
Meron nga may
Oo
quiz.
nga daw. Please
And I'm 48/50.
Wow! To be you! Okay. So, hi guys. We're done eating. And we're off to our second class, which is medical surgical nursing. And it's so lamig and I
Critical care.
forgot my jacket. Ay, yung jacket mo.
Ito.
Ayun. And it's raining hard. Like, we're still waiting for the suspension.
Ang tagal ni Mayor Isko eh. Ako na lang mag-suspend.
Yes. And we're going upstairs. And our room is at 4th floor. Oh my god. It's like a everyday cardio, guys. Lamig.
Diba? Lamig sa Odi.
Yes. So, hi guys! I'm with my favorite senior.
Ayan ba yung vlog mo?
Yes.
Ano, saan mo?
Mag-hi ka sa
So, how are you so far?
I'm doing good. It's nice to see you.
Yes! How's your review?
It's really enthusiastic.
Oo, eh. Sino hintay mo? Ano, Ima?
Hindi kakatapos ako namin magpapirma. Malakas kasi ng ulan eh.
Yeah, right? Because you're not gonna go home to Alabang anymore.
I'm gonna go to the review center because I need my break.
What time?
Now! As in now.
Oh, ba't di ka pang muma?
Lakas eh. 8. Diba, medyo late na kami. Pero kasi
I'm with the Mr. CEU.
Pero okay lang.
Second runner-up.
okay. Hindi naman sila super.
Di ba? Second runner-up, di
Yeah,
ba?
second runner-up.
Eh,
So it's good. Isuin mo ba kayo ngayon?
Hindi, papasok lang kami. Anyway, bye-bye!
Bye!
So, hi guys! Magkuquiz kami! Watch it! Okay na makita kayo sa vlog ko. Okay na po, sir.
Sa prop ha? Para.
Miss time! Saan na kayo laging pa? Join na kayo? Yun lang, gumagawa pa ng account.
Oh, huwag kalimutan surname, ha? Huwag nakakalimutan surname.
Timingi guys.
Start na.
454-037. 454. Oh, ito si Bill. 454.
4-5 point, ano? 0-7.
O, surname mo, kasi ano yan, ha? Ilagay niyo surname.
Pwede sir, make first name.
Ano?
May first
Okay.
name.
Okay lang, mga 50 kayo dyan, ha? Ano?
Tama, one.
Si Magahis.
Hindi ako
And number 5, Rabino.
Yung vlogger hindi makakonect. Connect nyo naman ako. Sino yung Dane Jolly at YouTube? Pakonectin nyo yun. Ako. Ano ka? Sino ka? Okay, taray. Strike block by Junior Bunagua. Ganun, sir.
Mag-strike na.
Para sa vlog. Binlakan niya. Ay, na-strike niya ako, guys. Buti na naka-block ako. Ay, tay!
Activity yan.
Bagsak po si Dane. Dane, ano pong remarks mo sa quiz ngayon?
Depende kung anong score ko. Anong score?
Our isa nuggets of CEU. Bye guys. Thank you po. Yung chicharon mo ba?
Ay, Marty Sir! Ay, nako! Hi guys! Si Charon from... Halika dito. Delicious!
Pa-shoutout pa ako sa vlog mo eh.
Sir, na-end kasi strict ko. May nang-strike sa akin eh.
Wala!
Hi guys! Suspended na! Walang pasok! Walang pasok! Walang pasok! Walang pasok!
Guys, walang pasok!
Walang pasok!
Pasok, guys!
Patingin nga ako guys! Guys! Walang pasok! Walang pasok! Walang pasok! Sir, walang pasok! Ah! Magbubuldak na! So hi guys! We're gonna go to office to do such council works. And it's raining.
Sige.
Yung payong ko.
Oh my God.
I'll video you. Right now. Hi guys!
Happy Friday, guys! Guys, we can see Tina.
As you can see, Tina is very drunk. And us are never.
Are alive!
Are alive. Tina is drunk.
Maki, popoyin mo na lang to.
Hi, guys.
So we're on another bar because what you call it, bar hopping on a Friday night.
And we're going to Rebel. Hi guys! What the f... Ganon.